Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. How was your e-learning classes? Okay, so in the last class we discussed a story. Did you understand? Okay, well, shall we have a quick recap of the things that we discussed in the last class? Can I ask you some questions? Okay. So, what is the title of the story we discussed in the last class? What is the title of the story? Yes, the best Christmas present in the world. Yes, very good. The best Christmas present in the world. And who is the author of the story? Yes, try. Who is the author of the story? Yes, Michael Morpurgo. Repeat. Michael Morpurgo. Okay, and this is the story about dash. This is the story about, yes, come on. Someone told the answer. Yes, very good. This is the story about World War I. And this story also explains about the dropouts of World War. And we discussed the part 1 in the previous class, right? And in that part 1, we discussed that the author buys a what desk? Yes, he buys a roll top desk. What do you mean by roll top desk? Anybody please say the meaning? Yes, very good. Roll top desk means it is a writing table with so many drawers. Tin box, you found a small tin box. In that tin box, what was there? Yes, exactly. In that tin box, the author found a letter, right? So, till here we discussed in the last class. Today, we are going to learn the second part of the story. Shall we begin? Okay. So, in the first part, we already told that the author got a tin box from the drawer, and in that tin box, he also found a message, that means a letter. The story tells us the content of the letter. The second part of the story tells about the whole content of the letter that was written by Jim to his beloved wife Connie. So out of curiosity, the author read the letter that was written by Jim to his wife Connie. And in that letter, Jim promised his wife that he will definitely return from the battlefield and rejoin his wife on the day of Christmas. That means Jim promised his wife that he will definitely come from the battlefield. That means he will definitely come from the war to his wife on the day of Christmas. And in this letter, he also explains about the war between the German army and the English army. So here we can see the war between which all armies? German army and English army. And the two important characters in the story, Jim and Connie. Unfortunately, Jim was not able to go to his home, because on the Christmas day, the English army, actually Jim and his people was the English army, and the other army that is against them was the German army. And on that particular day, the Jim got, that means the English army got an invitation from the German army. They told that let's go for a party. And on that party, the two armies talked each other. They found many solutions for their problems, and they become friends. And most of the people expected that there would be no war. And the German army also offered the English army their special drink, that is the German drink also. Jim was talking to one of the German officer. They both came to know that they both were equally interested in football. By hearing that, suddenly a soldier brought a football. Then they also had a football match between the two armies. Which all armies? Yes, come on. The German army and the English army. So they also played a match between the two armies. And after that, the people go back to their places. They return to their places. So Jim was not able to go to his wife on the day of Christmas. And when the two armies returned to their places, the English army expected that there would be no war. After the party, all the soldiers, all the armies returned to their places, and they expected that the war would end here and bring peace. Jim also expected that the war would end here and he can go back to his home and found his beloved wife. So this is the end of the second part of the story. So in this story, the main content was about the letter. The author describes the letter that he read, that he found in the dryer. Okay, let's continue the third part of the story in the next class. That's all. Thank you.